Hello everyone! Today I want to talk about my favorite place to relax. I really prefer going to the beach. Both the beach and the mountains are beautiful, but I like the beach more than the mountains. I like the beach because it is very relaxing and sunny.
I love the sound of the waves and the feeling of the sand on my feet.
When I'm there, I can swim in the sea and build sandcastles. I feel so happy and peaceful when I am at the beach.
So, for my vacation, the beach is always my first choice.